Sans Nem Jongka Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong Bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong Wan Ban Thiet ya ka Kali Datsun Ready Go Bathamai ka Bas Kem Bat Bidor
Ka Kinhon Menteri Jong ka Sarkar Jilla Kabalasong ya ka Jingyalang ha ka Sautrik Unaiwing Arjar Arpo kala pendamno ya ka Jingyasoy ya ka Memorandum of Agreement Balayasoy bat ka MSSEW Energy Limited Negabenta ban shna ya ka Shlem Penmi Boarding ka ba 100% megawatt ya ka balatim kum ka Rangmao Hydel Power Project Usambut Menteri Rangba Jong ka Sarkar Jilla uba Preston Tensong haba ya kren bat kilat pathai kubor Uliyathu baka jingshim ra jong ka Sarkar ban pendamno ya ka ni ka Memorandum of Agreement kalong hadin ban ka liang jong ka company kala pha hi de ka jingterwa sha ka Sarkar Jilla ban penpau ya ka jingbamla ban shna ya ka ni ka project bakala ya soy bat ka Sarkar Meghalaya house nem Arajar Shipho Shosho ha ka jingyalang jong ka Kinhon Menteri ka Sarkar Jilla kala menjuru ban wanra ya ka jingpen bait thamai ha ka Meghalaya Farmers Commission's Amendment Bill Arjar Arpo bat ha ka bayadai bat ka jingpen jalan ya ka kam jong UHN areng ubala shimti kumu secretary lengba ka contractual appointment jong ka Meghalaya State Consumers Dispute Redressal Commission.
The agenda number 1 was relating to amendment of Meghalaya Farmers Commissioned Amendment Bill 2020. One small amendment was proposed by Agriculture Department and the amendment was relating to the age of the chairman of the commission. Because in the previous original act, I think when we issued the appointment of the chairman of the commission, we mentioned only 5 years. And now we incorporated one more proposal, and that is the age limit of any chairman to be appointed by the government should be not more than 65 years. So the proposal was approved by the cabinet. Then the agenda number 2 was relating to the extension of the contractual appointment made to the Secretary of Meghalaya State Consumers Dispute Redressal Commission, Shri H.N. Areng. So the department has proposed 1 more year of contractual appointment be extended to Shri H.N. Areng, Secretary of Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, and the cabinet has approved the proposal. Our next point was relating to the proposal brought in by Power Department, and this is relating to cancellation of Memorandum of Agreement signed between the government of Meghalaya and the company MSSEW Energy Limited for implementation of the 65 megawatt Rangmao Hydel Power Project. And the company who already signed the MOU with the government of Meghalaya in the year 2010. Ultimately, they sent the proposal due to the unfeasibility of the proposed project development of Rangmao Hydel project signed in 2010. The company requested the government to cancel the MOU signed due to the unfeasibility of the project. So the cabinet today, through Power Department, has agreed to cancel the MOU signed between the government and the company known as MSSEW Energy Limited. Power department will again go afresh EOI, and then let us see once the EOI process is completed, we will be able to tell you exactly how we are going to. Of course, the clauses were there, but ultimately, as I see, because that time in 2010, government hurriedly signed an agreement ultimately with the so-called that SEU company. But these company also, when they started their groundwork, they found out that this is not feasible at all. And even now the government, the present government, we have seen it, yes, it is not feasible. But you can't help it because MOU has been signed. So ultimately, we consider cancellation of the MOU. Then, as I said to you, fresh EOI will be floated from the state government. See, not feasible means not economically feasible. It's not economically feasible. Therefore, because these are all private investment. It's not the government investment at all. This has to be invested by the private company, purely by the private company.